Good stuff.
Okay, yeah. It's not quite straight. Okay. Now we gotta get it straight on the blocks. Okay, now. This here. Do you want a little bit up on the gray part?
Yeah. Does it have a little taste to it?
Yes.
Perfect.
So, well, Jamie, do you want to explain a little bit for the video?
Swarm. And swarming's good because that means there's going to be more bees. That's how they propagate. So we're mimicking them swarming by taking the queen out of the main hive and putting her in a new hive. And then that hive is going to be left to make their own queens for 2 days. And we're going to stop them by putting in a new queen on our own. And we'll harvest those queen cells for our backup.
Show them.
So this is it's one of our tools that we'll use to get the queen.
It's the coolest thing ever. I've never seen it before today.
So on this end, you can take and cover over top of the queen. She'll climb up in here, and we'll cork it up. And we can put her aside then so we can work the hive without worrying about where the queen is. And then when we're done, we can uncork it and she'll climb out.
Wow.
Yeah.
Fascinating.
So we already put moved her from one hive that's really strong to a new hive because the hive we took her from, they'll choose their own queen. And then we put her in another hive so she can start the process. So this is the most exciting thing. So I'm gonna have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hives out of 2 strong ones.
Yep.
And Jamie's this is Jamie, and he is my dear friend who is my bee mentor. I have 2 bee mentors. The other one is over there, and his name is Kenny. And so, and I'm kind of a novice, so I'm learning every time they're out here with me. But today is like a major day. Okay, because we had 2 hives that made it through the winter, which that was a miracle. That was like a miracle. And it was all because of what these guys taught me how to do. So, you can, one of the hives, but this is just what you would think you would throw this away, but this is like actually cosmetic wax. And there's a whole process that you can do to like melt it down, and people use it to make candles or to make,
Chapstick.
And all the
Lip
best
balm,
products.
So why that would be cosmetic is the older wax, the bees have walked over and they've laid into it a lot. This wax they had just drawn out and they haven't really filled it up yet, so it's fresh. And so that's the kind of wax you would use for cosmetics. It'll get yellow over age.
Now, will we be able to make our own cosmetics, Allie and I?
Yeah, you can make some lip balm.
We can make, oh, that'd be cool.
Would that not be great?
I have a recipe.
So professional musicians, but and his band has played at the Angus Barn several times, and so we're just right now we're getting ready to change some things around in this house.
So this hive should have 3 hot tops, some brood, possibly here, and definitely down there. I'm thinking we might see a queen.
Last time, it was in the middle. Yeah, I found it.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, Allie, they want to see you. Just take the pill.
I'm gonna get stuck.
That's the problem right now. You can extract some of that.
Are we gonna get honey out of that?
Well, depends on how we got the bottom. If they got food down here, oh, look at that. Look at all that.
Yeah, look, they're ready to
They look slim.
Oh yeah, there's some honey.
Can you turn it this way?
I might be able to bring this over to you.
Yeah.
If you trust me, so what we have here are queen cells. So these are queen cells that they would use to swarm.
Wow.
And they were just putting royal bee jelly into this particular one.
What's royal bee jelly?
That's what they feed the queen. So an egg that has not, it's 3 days old, they can start feeding it royal bee jelly and just royal bee jelly, and she'll become a
Wow.
queen. Whereas a regular egg fed the regular food will become a worker.
That's
so
incredible.
You are what you eat. Yes. So they treat the egg differently from 3 days on. Yep.
Update. They are currently
Nice, healthy queen, too.
on the hunt for the queen.
There's another queen cell. Here's one that's about to be capped.
There are about 1,000 bees flying everywhere right now. I'm afraid,
Yeah, I think so.
but I'm being strong.
Whoa, are you kidding me?
What's that?
Show that to Allie.
Well, so this is a queen cell that is torn. So you see it wasn't capped yet. But you can see the royal bee jelly in there.
Oh, wow. Hold on. It's like not doing its thing. That's amazing.
So you can eat it for health. You could also rub it under your eyes and stuff.
Really?
You want to taste it, Allie?
Ooh. So this is the inside of a hive, and each one of those little wooden things is called a frame. And then there's only one queen to each hive.
And right now, Allie explained that we're trying to locate the queen.
Right now they're trying to locate
Oh, in the bottom?
the queen
There's a lot of food up here.
and look in each frame
There's
because
queen cells and stuff, and they usually
they
try
need to be
keep
able
them away
to
from
separate different queens throughout these different hives.
There's so many.
Wow, here's another big.
Looking at a queen cell,
Two of them right together. They're capped and ready.
they're capped and ready. What does that mean?
That means that they're sealed off at the top.
So what are they ready for?
They're ready to come out and swarm.
Wow, they're ready to come out and swarm.
So, give this piece to our beekeeper Jamie, and he'll take it and raise them. If we ever need a queen, we'll have a queen.
Look at that.
That looks like a grub. She's right in here. She's the one with the long, like.
Oh,
See, she's right there. See how long it is? That's the queen.
Hold on, I'm trying to focus on it. Oh, wow.
See how long she is? Looks like a worm.
Yeah, I see it.
It looks like a grub. So we're transferring her to another hive.
Tell us what you're doing now.
This is all the excess stuff that we have not used today, but we're going to be needing it eventually. So I'm going to put it in the garage, and we've got the sugar water that we don't need right now. We'll need it later in the year, so we'll put that in the refrigerator, and then you can see what Jamie actually looks like as a person, and when he takes his thing off, and then we'll be right back.